Welcome back to my Lobotomy Corporation bedtime story reading. This is Hitori, and I will be helping you fall asleep with some ambient audio from our favorite game. As I learn more about Lobotomy Corporation's Abnos. In the last video, we read about Standard Training Dummy Rabbit. Now we will be reading about the Punishing Bird. Let's begin. Punishing Bird. Number 0-02-56. Also known as Small Bird. Is a small white-feathered bird with small wings and a red mark on its chest. While in its containment room, it rests on a black perch. Punishing Bird becomes entirely red while being suppressed. Ability. Punishing Bird's ability will trigger when its Sleepytime counter reaches 0. Its Sleepytime counter can fluctuate in the following ways. Decrease by 1 with 20% chance when an agent starts working on another abnormality in the facility, including tools, unless Punishing Bird is being worked on concurrently. Decreased by 1 when an agent in the facility panics. Initial breach. While breaching, because an agent panicked, the panicking agent will be set as a target, and the bird's attack will heal the agent's SP by 3 to 5. Otherwise, the bird will move from agent to agent, with its attacks dealing only a small amount of red damage, 0 to 1 for 3 seconds. Agents and clerks will not automatically suppress the abnormality once they are in the same room, but fear damage will still be applied. Punishing Bird will voluntarily return to its containment unit once an agent recovers from panic or after it has dealt 8 to 13 red damage. It possesses low HP at 240 movement speed. Breach attacked. If Punishing Bird is hit by an agent in any way, including reflected damage by the ego weapon from Dream of a Black Swan, the abnormality changes form, becoming red, increases its HP from 200 to 1000, and replaces its normal pecking attack to a devastating bite attack that deals an immense amount of red damage, 800 to 1200. Punishing Bird will now target the agent that damaged it and move straight towards them. It won't switch targets, and having the targeted agent work on abnormality will not stop Punishing Bird either. This can end in 3 ways. Either the target avoids Punishing Bird for about a minute, in which case Punishing Bird will give up, or the bite attack lands on the target, after which Punishing Bird will calm down, or Punishing Bird is suppressed before either of these outcomes occur. In both cases, it will return to containment voluntarily. Once it arrives in its containment cell, Punishing bird will return to its normal form. Origin. Punishing bird was a bird who lived in its whole life in the Black Forest with Big Bird and Judgment Bird. The three birds decided to protect the forest from a prophecy which said that the forest would never be the same after terrible events that would culminate in a monster devouring everything. Punishing Bird decided to punish bad creatures with its beak. But someone said, "Your beak is so small. No one will find your punishment painful." Punishing Bird, worried, grew a mouth so it could devour any creature in a single bite. As time passed, the effort of the birds brought bad rumors upon the forest. One day, when the forest was about to fall into total disorder, the birds decide to merge their strength together to form a new bird. The resulting creature created chaos, and they were left alone in the forest. After the events, Punishing Bird left the forest, never to return. It is unknown where Punishing Bird was found or how it arrived at the facility. So, currently in my playthrough, I have the Punishing Bird, and I also have the Judgment Bird. I have yet to get the Big Bird, and every time a crazy chatter would just come in and always ask if I already have the bird yet. And I am just terrified that one day I might get this new bird that they highlighted here. But let's not worry about that for now. Let's just enjoy Punishing Bird as it is. The abnormality that just reaches out just because an agent panicked or because I'm doing works that it does not want. Absolutely adorable little Abno we have here. Moving on. Story. A small and confident bird that punishes the evil, guilty, and all sorts of irreverent people. Some employees have said that it is cute when the bird mightily flutters its tiny wings. People have been committing sins since long ago. Why do they commit sins knowing it's wrong? The small bird wondered. It must be because there's no one to punish people for their misdeeds. If someone takes that role, then no foul act would happen in this world ever again. With this in mind, the little bird left the forest it has been living in and never went back. Let me just say something about the Punishing Bird. If you ever go out of your way and search Punishing Bird here in YouTube, you're going to see a lot of animations done by fans of the game, and they're always absolutely very cute. So if you want to see that cute bird, feel free to go into the comments. I'll be posting some of my favorites. Yeah, I really appreciate artists and animators that are passionate about their favorite abnormality in this game. Also, here's the thing. Is it still ideal to train my people using this abno and the other beginning abnos like one sin and hundreds of good deeds, even if I'm already going halfway in the game's progression? I have heard people in my live stream telling me to stop doing Zayin work and focus on the others instead. I highly value your opinion about this, so please comment about it below. If you like, you can also catch my streams in Twitch and here on YouTube, so you can assist me if you are knowledgeable about the game. If you have any helpful information to add about the punishing bird abno, please let me know in the comments. Anyway, until next time, I hope you rest easy.